Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to text while you're broadcasting on your YouTube channel, on your televisions or on any radio channels. After the composing as well as all kind of the instrument that you're using to make a effective sound of any videos. Now, how you will text the any message below that video, so that will scroll. Now see at the moment it's scrolling while you play this video show. Let me see. So see guys here, according to your own crystallization, color as well as video color as well as skin body of this, you can change and you can modify. So let's see how you will go for text here. My motive, not how you will make an effective sound here, just my motive that's how you will text while you broadcasting any video on our channels as well as on a YouTube or on any radio channel or on any television channels. Now see guys here, one thing is very important. Just I will come in a setting, just I will come on this interface options. In interface, while you broadcasting, of course you can have this one's mode, and here this is a texting. So see guys here, according to your only when this part will be broadcasted. So if you would like to remove this one, of course by a none, and if you would like to edit anything here, of course by a here. But here see one thing, just I will go in a none on a broadcasting center. Now see, this is your broadcasting center. Directly if you would like to play this music on a YouTube live streaming, of course just by clicking here. This one is your radio channels, radio server, this is audio, and this is your podcast. So see guys, one thing, how you will keep it this text. For it just you need to come here, this is, and here this is a text on a setting. Just you need to click, write any message that you would like to convey. So I have written, this is your letter design. So according to your crystallization or design, you can have here letter, along with if you would like to change the color of your text, of course you can have. Now this is a very important things, this texting while you broadcasting, this one if you would like to have on a upper, of course simply in a bigger, a small, of course you can. So see, if you would like to have a big one, so now it will be in a big size. If you would like to add the top of course now it's coming at the top of, it's scrolling. So this one I would like to have at the bottom of this video in a small size. So now it's coming in a small size guys. This is a scrolling. If you don't want to scroll, then it will not scroll guys. So this is for scrolling, just you have to select and just go for cut from here. Now one thing is very important, just here you have to click on a green color. Yeah, directly you can click on here, so it will be highlighted. It means now this text is on, just it will be a functional. If you would like to have colorize of this video, of course you can by clicking here guys. Now see one thing here, now while you're broadcasting guys on your YouTube channels. So I will come in an interface and just I will go for broadcast. Now let's see. So see guys here, only one this part will be a functional, this part will be a visual, not a this part, this part. So here just I am going to none and simply I am going to decolorize of this ones. I don't want to color. Now one thing, this one if you would like to record, after recording you would like to play on your television channels. So what you have to do, simply you have to go in a setting guys. After coming in a setting, you need to come on a record option, select here video format mp4 and here type any name. That should be just you have to select on a desktop, so it will be after recording it will be on a desktop. So now I'm going to save it and simply I'm going to close from here. Now see guys, if you would like to crop, of course you can crop it also, but I'm not going to crops because this black size I need. So now in cropping, just a separate video I will upload on this channel. That's how you will go for effective crops on especially virtual DJ Pro. So here now I'm going to record this one. So how you will record it? So simply I will go for in a masters. Now see we have here one option to record this one. So now I'm going to record it. So let me. You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel another star? You fade away. Afraid our rhythms out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? So see guys here. This outcome recorded material. This is here now. So if you would like to listen on your now how it's working or not, and after recording directly you can broadcast on your televisions. So now see here in a VLC I would like to show you in what way the qualities are coming here. Let's see. So I'm going to just play this video here. Now see guys. Now see. You fade away. Afraid our rhythms out of sight. I would like to show you once again this one. Let me hide. Firstly, now let's see guys. Now see quality. So quality sound is quite good. And now text message is scrolling, so there is no doubt that it will not scroll. So this is an easy way while you're broadcasting any songs with video. So if you would like to convey any message guys with scrolling text, and then of course just go by using this virtual DJ Pro. There is a good feature and similar procedure that you need to execute. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. If it is informative and knowledgeable for you, then please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, so because this is a thing that will inspire me to make such a video that might be helpful or accelerating knowledge in IT sector field. So thank you guys, thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.